So for my students, we're going to create their cams. After they've created the cams, most of them are going to want to 3D or scan them rather than 3D print them. It's a little bit smoother when you scan them. So we're going to do laser engraving. And for our purposes, the easiest way to do this is to do a drawing file first. I have a student who is responsible for kind of like updating all of the things on Laser Engraver. So in order for her to get the correct information, I need it to be done a specific way. So the first thing I want my students to do is go in here and we're going to go and create a new drawing file. Hit create. I want mine to be a size A. So since I want it to be a size A, I'm going to go in here and right click on sheet 1. I'm going to click on edit sheet and just change this sheet size to A. I'm going to click on base. It brings my part in. Put it over here to the side. I click here and here. And I don't even need the 3D version of it. I just need those two. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And I want to have my students, because this is the picture my peer tutor is going to actually be focused on, but I want my students to be able to annotate it so that we know the proper sizes. So when my peer tutor is trying to create this, she can know what size to make her cams when she's using the laser engraver. Okay, once they have those sizes done, I just need the height, I just need the width, because the depth's going to be determined by the material we're using. Not a big deal. Then I want my students, they can go ahead and save this as part of their project, because they have to turn that in to me anyways. And then I want them to go in and at the search bar, type in snipping tool. And they're going to click on new. And they're going to get a picture of their project for me. They're going to save this. So go to File, Save As. Save it as a PNG is fine. So this would be my cam. And they can save it. And then they're going to email me that picture. And then I can forward it on to my student who's going to be creating these.